Welcome in this particular experiment. Today we are going to see the practical number 27 in the applied electronic subject. The practical name is voltage regulator using LM317 IC. The LM317 IC is a 3-terminal adjustable IC, regulator IC. It can supply a DC voltage output other than the fixed voltage, because we have seen the 7805 and 7912 like IC, 79XX series and 78XX series. So this is the LM317 IC, which is a 3-terminal positive voltage regulator IC, adjustable voltage regulator IC. Now in the today's practical we will see the load regulation and line regulation. So first of all, we will see in few minutes what is meant by line regulation and load regulation. So in line regulation, what we will do, we will keep this load constant and we will vary the line signal or line input, and then we will see the effect of this load on the output voltage. Actually, we don't have right now the multimeter here, but we have connected. So there is no problem. We have connected this output to this DSO. We will observe the output DC voltage on this DSO. So in the line regulation, we have set this load as a fix, and then we will vary the input line voltage, and then we will see what is the effect on output voltage. In load regulation, what we will do, we will vary the load, right? So we can vary the load by using this potentiometer, and we keep this line voltage or input voltage constant, and then we will do load regulation performance, and we will observe the what is the effect of load on this output, right? So let's start with this. First of all, we will see the line regulation. So in line regulation, we have fixed this load, and we will vary the input signal. You can see here the effect of this load or the input line regulation on this output side. So I will varying. See, I am varying this input signal or input voltage or line voltage, but there is no varying output voltage. That means this LM317 provides us the constant DC voltage in spite of varying the input signal, right? I am varying input signal, so it is now constant to 11 point something, right? 11.2. So there is a slightly difference. So that is not a problem here. So the output voltage is constant. You can see this yellow color designates the DC voltage. Again, I am varying, so there is no actually effect on the output DC voltage. Now I am at almost 18 volt, but it is around the 11.5 and 11.6 that we have kept constant. So this is how this LM317 operates in the line regulation. So I am varying the input signal. See, it is almost 20 volt. So we can vary, right? So something is disturbed, right? Signal has gone. Okay. What's going on? Okay. So this is line regulation. So I am again, you can see, observe here, I am varying the input signal, but the output signal is constant. The output voltage is constant. The output DC voltage is constant in spite of varying the input signal. You can see the input signal is almost touches the I think its limitation is 25 volt input, but this 317 is designed for 2 to 37 input voltage. So the input signal is we can vary, and we will see here. So this is what the line regulation. Now I will remove the load, and then we will see the load regulation. Load regulation means what? We will keep this input signal constant. In the earlier case, what we have changed this input signal, and we observe the output voltage. Now in the load regulation, we keep this input voltage constant, and then we will vary the load so that we can observe the output voltage, right? So pause here. Okay. So now the second part of this experiment is the load regulation. So in load regulation, if suppose we will change the load, according to the load, the voltage will drop, obviously. So we have the different resistors here. We have connected in the series. Now we will see the output voltage for the different load. So as a load here, we have connected this resistor, the bunch of resistor. Now I will show you how the load will or the signal will drop, the voltage will drop at the output side. So at this particular signal, you won't observe anything because the load is almost similar to this. So we will see this, there is a 12.6. Now suppose I have changed this. Let's see here. You can see this at this the dropout voltage will be maximum. You can see here. So recently it was 12, now it is 6.8. You can observe here, right? You can observe here, right? It is a 12 now, and suddenly the voltage will drop if I change the load. I have changed this load. It was dropped to 6.6, right? If suppose I have connected here, this signal will be again dropped to 4.2. You can observe here. हे दिसतंय का सर त्यांना? हे बघा, हे इकडे मी चेंज केले की व्होल्टेज ड्रॉप झालाय बघा इथं. दोन्ही तुम्हाला दिसेल. हे व्होल्टेज ड्रॉप झालाय. इकडे केलं तरी व्होल्टेज ड्रॉप होतो. तर याला लोड रेग्युलेशन म्हणतात. लोड रेग्युलेशन म्हणजे काय थोडक्यात, तर मी जसं जसं लोड चेंज करतो, म्हणजे या केसमध्ये रेजिस्टन्स चेंज करतो, तसं ड्रॉपआउट व्होल्टेज तुम्हाला कमी जास्त झालेलं दिसेल. तर त्याला लोड रेग्युलेशन म्हणायचं आहे. तर हे एक एक्सपेरिमेंट आहे, त्यात आपण लाईन रेग्युलेशन आणि लोड रेग्युलेशन हे पार्ट बघितलेलं आहे. तर तुम्हाला मी हे रीडिंगचं पार्ट जे काय व्यवस्थित घेऊन तुम्हाला ते मी पाठवतो, राईट. तर आज आपण LM317 मध्ये लाईन रेग्युलेशन आणि लोड रेग्युलेशन हे पार्ट बघितलेलं आहे. थँक्यू.